Pretty much complicated DI pie chart set on multiple pies, which are all interconnected. Look at one at a time. Music preference of teenagers aged 15 to 19. So this is a breakup of all teenagers. Out of all teenagers whose age are 15 to 19, 40% like movie songs or 30% likes pop songs. Now this is for girl. So out of all the girls, 36% like movie songs. Out of all the teenagers, 40% likes movie songs. So one hypothetical situation getting, let's say there are 300 teenagers and 100 girls. So how many boys? 200 boys. So out of 300, 120 like movie songs. Out of girl, 36 likes movie songs. So out of 200, 84 like movie songs. That's just an analysis. This 300, 200, 100, I don't know whether they're correct or not. Okay. Next is age-wise distribution of movie songs for teenagers. So out of, let's say if there are 100 students, there are total 40. Among this 40, 15% of that is 15 years aged. 20% of that is 16 years aged. So basically, this is a breakup of this part. Okay. And then last, for 15 years, girls aged 15 years. Girls aged 15 years. And this is not a part of this. This one is not a part of this. Not. Why not? Because this is 15 years, all teenagers, boys, girls together. This is only girl among them. So yes, a part, but not exact projection. This is an exact projection. This pi is an exact projection of this part. Okay. Anyhow, no absolute data, so we cannot do any calculation, any further analysis. Let's move to the problems. If the number of teenagers who prefer pop is 75, teenager preferring pop 75. This is 75. 16 years teenager prefer movies, music. So 30% is 75. So 40% is how much? 100. And we know this is breakup of this part. So this total is 100. Out of which how many 16 years old? 20% of it is 20, 16 years old. Option A. Okay. Next problem. The ratio of 15 years old teenager who prefer movie music to the number of 15 years old girl who prefer movie music. Can we find it out? If I assume this is 100, this is 40, so this total is 40. 15% of 40, this is 6. So this part, basis on total number of teenagers being 100, this part is coming as 6. This part, 15 years old, prefer movie music. Now we want 15 years old girl who prefer movie music. Can't find out. Because out of the girl of 15 years, we know how many 15 year students? No, we know how many 15 years like movie music, but total 15 year students, we don't know. Total number of boys, total number of girls, we don't know. So although we have this percentage 45, we don't know on what base it's to be applied. So correct answer is cannot be determined. Option D. Okay. Next. If the ratio of boys to the total number of girls is 1:3, that means this is 400, this is 300, this is 160. This total is also 160. Only this part right now we don't know. What is the least possible number of boys prefers rock music? Acha. How many teenagers like rock music? 8%. 32 teenagers like rock music. How many girls like rock music? 5% of 300 is 15. So 32 teenagers likes rock music. 15 girls like rock music. That means minimum 17 boys like rock music. Okay. Next. 25% of teenagers like pop music. 25% of teenage boys like pop music. Okay. What percentage of teenage boys like hip hop music? Again, total how many boys? We don't know. Once we have total how many boys, they are from, we need to know total how many boys, how many girls. Therefrom, we'll take total rock like people like total pop people, total of people like hip hop, then girl like pop, then girl like hip hop. Then we subtract, we'll get boys like pop, boys like hip hop. None of the steps we cannot do as we don't have number of boys, number of girls, or at least their ratio. Okay. The number of teenage who likes rock music is 1/20th of number of teenage boys who like pop music. Teenage girl likes rock music. I'm assuming there are 100 girls. How many teenage girls like rock music? 5. This will be 5, which is 120. That means boys liking pop music will be 100. Will be 100. Girl liking pop music is 40. So total people like pop music is 140. What we need to find out? Ratio of number of boys and number of girls. Acha. 30% is coming as 140. Fine. 30% is 140. This 30% is 140. So what about 100%? What about 100%? 140 by 30 into 100. There is a total. There is a total number of students. How many girls are there? 100. 100 cancel. So can we say total to girl ratio is 14:3? Total to girl. So boys to girl ratio is 11:3. Boys to girl ratio is 11:3. Option C. As simple as that. Okay.